yourself firmly in your seat. Take a deep breath in and let all that air out. Lay your hands gently in your lap. Consider taking this moment to wrap your arms around your body and hug yourself and say thank you. Because you've completed this process. You've written. You've remembered. You've named what's been too heavy to hold alone. And now, beloved, it's time to bake. Rise from the page, stand tall in your own sacred rhythm. Step into your kitchen. This is your altar now. Light a candle. Wash your hands like it's a blessing. Choose your comfort bake. And whisper your intention into the mixing bowl. Let the flour catch your sorrow. Let the vanilla carry your joy. Let the heat of the oven remind you you're alive. You're healing. You're here. You don't have anything to fix. You don't have to know the ending. You only need to show up for you. This is how we bake through it.